Today we're going to go over how to draw Mike from Monsters Inc. in kind of a cute way. So let's start by getting into it. We're going to start with a circular shape. And move at the shoulder. Don't move at the wrist. It might be a little bit too short. Try moving with your whole shoulder. Oh, just a note, I'm using a marker, and you can use any kind of marker you want. Make sure the room is ventilated. And, this is going to be step by step. Anyone can do it. So just join along and follow along. If you have trouble, please click that pause or rewind or ask a question below, anything you want. Okay, so let's keep going. After I do the eyelid, line to show his hand. It's kind of like a fist to kind of stick in his side there. And then we do the same here with this tube-like shape. Hopefully you're following along pretty carefully. Like I said, if you have to rewind, take this opportunity. If you do like, you know, the tutorial so far, let me know. You know, hit the like button. So, you know, if you want me to draw Sully, please let me know in the comments below. If enough people tell me about it, I will do a drawing tutorial on Sully also. But I need to kind of know. So just help me out and please comment if you do want to see that. Let's go up here to the arm. Yeah, close enough. This arm's a little bit bigger, but it's not a huge deal. And now for the last part, I'm gonna throw tiny triangular shapes for his small spikes that he has on his head. And I'm gonna throw a line right here on his toenail to show that he has a toenail. And that's pretty much it. I hope that was easy to follow. Like I said, if it was, click that like. Thank you so much. I appreciate it very much. If you did like the video, please share it. And if you have any other requests, please tell me in the comments, and I'll see what I can do, and we can talk about it. I wanna do something big soon. I wanna make like a product pretty soon. But I don't know quite yet what I'm gonna do. But until then, you can follow you can follow me here, and I will talk to you next time. Thank you so much, and stay pencil sharp.